Okay, guys, the question asked you to read pages 28 and 29 in the story, and then asked you, why does Queen Waltheow believe that Beowulf is no usual kind of hero? Please write your response using the RACE method. Remember, that stands for restate, answer, cite, explain. So when we restate, we're just restating the question. Queen Waltheow believed that Beowulf is no usual kind of hero because, and as soon as we get to because, we're now answering. So this yellow part was us restating the question. Green is us answering. Now, I blacked out my answer so you wouldn't copy mine, but this is how it should start. Then, once you answer it in your own words, you cite text evidence to prove what you had said in your answer. So I found text evidence on page 29 that supported my answer. So I said, on page 29, Waltheow says, and then I quote exactly what she says to support my answer. Then I explain why this piece of text evidence proved my answer. This shows that, and you'll find that this answer is very similar to this answer. You're just basically explaining why your text evidence proved exactly what you said up here. So that's how you complete this using the RACE method.